Primary columns, that is a new concept in Windographer 5. Let's take a quick look. I'm Tom Lambert from UL's Windographer team. Thank you for coming along. Version 5 lets you create workbooks with multiple datasets. Here's a workbook with 3 datasets, a Met Tower and 2 reanalysis datasets. You can create lots of graphs that compare datasets, like this one showing monthly mean wind speeds for each dataset, 1 line per dataset. Or this one showing wind direction frequency, also 1 line per dataset. Or this one, the diurnal profile of temperature, again, 1 line per dataset. Or this one, the frequency histogram of wind speeds. But this Met Tower has 6 anemometers. Why does this one appear in the graph? The answer lies in these primary column settings. I have some options here. I can choose a specific speed column to be the primary, or I can choose one of these simple rules, use the highest speed column, the lowest, or the one with the highest data recovery rate, but I'll leave it at this default, which says to use the visible speed column nearest to the target height of 100 meters above ground. In this dataset, the contest for the speed column closest to 100 meters is a two-way tie between this west sensor and the south sensor, both near 60 meters. Now, technically one is a tiny bit closer to 100 meters than the others, but the difference is within the margin of the collocation threshold, plus or minus a meter, so they are effectively tied for nearest to 100 meters. And to break the tie, Windographer chooses the one with a better data recovery rate. In this data set, it's the south sensor that has the higher data recovery rate, slightly higher. Now, if I combine the anemometers, Windographer will create a new calculated column of wind speed at each measurement height, including that 60-meter height. So we should see a new contender here, a third 60-meter speed sensor, this one, the 60-meter combined speed column. It has a higher data recovery rate than the others, and that makes it the new primary speed column. That's the idea. You give simple criteria for how to choose the primary columns, and then as the dataset evolves, different columns might fit those criteria. We hope this feature brings just a little more automation to Windographer and reduces your workload just a little. It's one of the advantages that version 5 should bring. Thank you very much for watching.